Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Realme phone guys automatic brightness problem guys, how to fix and how to solve. Friends, you have your brightness problem on your Realme phone device. So guys, sometime your Realme phone brightness increase automatic and decrease automatic. So guys, how to fix and solve brightness problem on Realme phone device. In this video we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your Realme phone setting. After on guys Realme phone setting, you can see this type interface on your Realme phone. So friends, click on Realme phone and display brightness setting. After on display brightness friends, you can see dark mode setting, light mode setting, auto switch setting and brightness setting is here. So guys, by mistake you have on your auto brightness and you don't know about it, so you will have to only off your auto brightness. After off friends, you can increase your Realme phone brightness. Friends, your brightness will not decrease automatic on your Realme phone. Friends, you can go outside, you can come inside, your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic on your Realme phone device. And friends, if you on your auto brightness again friends, you can see I have increased brightness. So when I will on, brightness will decrease automatic, and guys brightness will increase automatic when I will go outside. When I will come inside, brightness will increase and decrease automatic on Realme phone device. So friends, you have your brightness problem. So guys, off your auto brightness, adaptive brightness, automatic brightness friends you have here. So friends, you will have to only off. After off friends, you can increase brightness, and friends you can check brightness will not decrease on Realme phone device. So are you friends, you understood how to fix brightness problem on Realme phone? And friends, you want to on eye comfort mode setting, so you can on your eye comfort mode. And friends, after on you can change your display effects, black and white and color. And friends, you don't want to use, so you can off from here. So you should use guys at night when you operate your Realme phone at night, so you should on it. So are you friends, you understood how to solve brightness problem on Realme phone device? So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.